Welcome to another video, guys. Today is another trade recap. Today I did go break even on the day. I was in this trade for a very long time. Wasn't expecting to be in this trade for a long time, but we still took the trade today. We took an aggressive entry today, and we took the normal entry. And today I was trying to risk a bit more. In total, I risked around 500 and something, 530, I think it was. And I had the potential to make a band, right? And since the billing is on July 5th, I am still going to be risking a lot because I don't want to get to the billing and, either not blow the account or pass it. So it's either I blow the account or I pass it. I'm going to be risking a lot more. And yeah, so let's get into the charts and explain the trade. So here, as you can see, let me put it on the dual. So, NQ, put ES and ES. So, as you can see here, NQ took these all-time highs, right? And when I looked to the left, to ES, they didn't take it out. So, I was thinking today we might be able to take out all-time highs on ES, but completely wrong. It did not take it, but it's on track to. So I think tomorrow I'll also be bullish, depending on what happens during Asia session and London session. But yeah, just from this, I was already bullish, kind of. And then when I look in the 4 hour, I see that we're respecting bullish order flow. Like we filled in this gap right here. We're breaking structure up to the upside, and we're looking like we want to go up to those all-time highs. Same thing on NQ. We're breaking structure to the upside, continuous uptrend, and yeah, filling this gap. So I was bearish today to target those all-time highs and London highs, Asia highs on on NQ. Today I did take it on NQ today because holy crap, ES price action today was just like a QR code. I was not going to trade that. There was no clear objective on it. So I just did not trade it on ES, and instead I traded on NQ where I would target it's still there. Where I would target London and Asia highs and any opposing draws and liquidity to the upside. So I took it on NQ. So coming to today, on the 4 hour, I see that we have this 4 hour gap, bullish gap that I think price will come into and go higher. Same thing on ES. We have this 4 hour gap. You guys are able to see that. 4 hour gap. Then, I hate when this happens, bro. Alright, then on the hourly, we see that we have this low right here. Asia lows are somewhere in here, but we would also have this hourly gap. We were respecting this hourly gap right here. This one right here. But then we disrespected it, coming into this 4 hour one to go higher. And yeah, I marked out Asia highs. I marked out all these other lows, and these lows right here. I just took them out just to not make my chart messy during the trading session. But yeah, we have those lows here. We have these highs to target at the upside, and we have this low and this low if it wants to go all the way down there. I didn't think it was anyway to, go higher. Same thing on ES. We have those lows right there. And yeah, we have all this. But then coming into today, let me mark out 930. The fan's going crazy. Okay, we marked out 930, mark open. And today, I'm in the middle of watching the TJR's daily bias video because I do need some help with daily bias. But today it looked like a London consolidation, then with the New York manipulation reversal that I saw from TJR. And basically what it did, London didn't do anything really. It just chopped. It didn't like take out any other draws of liquidity, which there was none on NQ. But yeah, we just chopped. And then since I was with the bullish bias, I wanted it to come down here, take out these hourly lows to go higher. So I waited for it to take out the draws on liquidity. It took it out, filled in the gap. Then today, after that happened, after this big move down, I knew I was going to use my aggressive entry today. And then same thing on ES. We chopped a whole lot. Then we came down, took out these low resistance, high time frame lows, hourly lows. We took that out, and then I scaled into the 1 minute for the aggressive strat, which was on NQ as well. So today, damn, there's a whole lot of stuff. But yeah, we also do have, I forgot to show you guys. So right here we have London. Hopefully you guys are able to see this, bro. It's called his ass. But right here we have London highs, this high, and this high. So it's all low resistance lows and relative equal lows. And that just made me even more bullish because of all the like draws on liquidity to the upside. But yeah, after that, I scaled into the 1 minute and started looking for confluences to go long. So first confluence was after we took out these high time frame lows. Damn, I don't even know where it went. Okay, so we broke structure here. We have this. Oh, I got it now. There. Because I accidentally deleted it. If you guys are able to see that purple line, I'm going to make it even thicker though. Alright, so if you guys are able to see that, right here, we broke structure to the upside with this candle right there, but I just used this one. And we inversed this 1 minute gap right here. Oh, never mind, that's not even a gap. My bad. But yeah, we broke structure to the upside, and we made this breaker block and this order block. This right here is the breaker, and this right here is the order block. Nope, not that one. And this right here, the order block. Right? We filled in the breaker block and order block. Then I just looked for price to break structure to the upside. Did right there. And this candle right here. And then all I did was enter. I entered, risked around 150 on this one because it was the aggressive entry. But then we started chopping a whole lot. We went to drawdown. And I was looking at the 5 minute because I was still looking for my 5 minute, what's it called? 5 minute entry. And right here, you could see that we have this breaker block for this order block right here. This order block and this breaker block right there. Now, all I waited was for price to come into it after we broke structure to the upside. After we took out those lows, we broke structure to the upside, and we filled in both the breaker block and the order block. And after that happened, same old, we scaled down to the 1 minute and waited for a break of structure, which we did right here. I wasn't willing to enter off this inverse fair value gap because of all this chop, and I was just not convinced yet. So I waited for this break structure, then I entered there. I risked around 350, so I'm in for like 500 total. And yeah, we just chopped and chopped and chopped until we broke even. My break even, my first partial was above this 5 minute fair value gap. And once I saw that price tapped into it and rejected it, I got a little bit scared, but it was all good. We just chopped a bit more. We came down. Then after my first TP was around like right above this fair value gap to get inversed. Right here, it almost tagged the partial, but then we came down. My stops were already at break even because I did not want to be in that trade no more. It was already what, 12? It's not probable for me, honestly. But then I just went break even and went on with my day. Then after, when I was on the bus coming back home from school, I see that we hit TP later on. And yeah, I was not trying to be in the trade for that long. But we hit TP around this candle right here, 352. And that is not how, that I don't want to be in a trade for that long. So yeah, that was a trade recap. It's pretty easy day. Unfortunate that we did get stopped at break even, but it's all right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, gained something from this, learned something from it. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the bell for any new notification, so you guys will be the first to know when I post a video. And make sure you guys follow my other socials on TikTok and Instagram. Will be in it'll be in the description below. And make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord is currently growing even more. Every day I'm trying to make it better for you guys, to make it more enjoyable, and so you guys are able to learn and talk with other people that are like-minded. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and God bless y'all. If you're going to do something, don't half-ass it, don't overtrade. I'll see you guys tomorrow.